The blocks are made in Luton, which is the capital of the hat industry, in just north of London. And basically, they come in two parts. There's but you can see this is the block for a cap. So this fits onto that. In order to get this made, we have to make a prototype, something that they can make the block from. Over here we've got probably 100 blocks of hats that we've designed over the last few years, which are our basis for which we make most of the hats. Over in that corner you can see there are some blocks that are made out of wood. Generally speaking, those are for the more complicated shapes, or else they help us to make hats from using one part and attaching it to another part.
Non, je vais le repasser. Ils ont fait les beaux.